Milk splatters out from the nozzle or the level of froth is inconsistent, regardless of milk setting. Firstly, remember to use the automatic clean function after milk delivery. Place a cup underneath the nozzle. Press and hold the clean button until the progress bar completes. Be aware of the different settings available on the milk carafe. Cappuccinos in position 1 are very frothy. Macchiato in position 2 is a mixture of froth and steamed milk. Cafe latte in position 3 is mostly steamed milk at a slightly lower temperature. Regularly clean all parts of the milk carafe. Dismantle the carafe lid assembly and wash all parts with warm water. Dry the parts and reassemble the lid. Use the tube brush from the DeLonghi Coffee Care Kit to ensure the steam tube is completely clear. Reattach the tube and the reassembled lid. Carefully remove the milk selector from the lid. Use the IFD Care Oil from the DeLonghi Coffee Care Kit to spray the inside of the lid and the main coupling on the appliance. Wipe all sprayed parts with a dry cloth and reattach the milk selector. These tips should help improve milk froth consistency on any setting, delivering the perfect milky drink.